I have a follower. I have a follower. The follower is red. The follower is red. The follower is smell good. The follower is smell good. I like red follower. I like red follower. I have a bunny. I have a bunny. His name is Lala. His name is Lala. Lala is brown. Lala is brown. Lala like radish. Lala like radish. This is Salman. This is Salman. He is 6 years old. He is 6 years old. His hair is short. His hair is short. Salman has a book. Salman has a book. This is my sister. This is my sister. Her name is Naima. Her name is Naima. She has a hat. She has a hat. Her head is big. Her head is big. I have a kitten. I have a kitten. My kitten is white. My kitten is white. It has big ears. It has big ears. My kitten like to play ball. My kitten like to play ball. This is John. This is John. He has a pillow. He has a pillow. His pillow is soft. His pillow is soft. Is clean and white. Is clean and white.